Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential guide on how to block friends on Roblox, ensuring your gaming experience stays enjoyable and stress-free. Blocking someone can be a necessary step when you want to maintain a positive environment while playing. Let's get started with the updated steps you need to take. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. This is where all the action begins. Next, tap the three dots located in the bottom right corner to open the menu. Once you're there, select Friends from the list. It's a straightforward step that leads you closer to managing your friend relationships. Now, find the friend you want to block. This requires tapping on their profile to view more details. Once you're on their profile, look for the three dots in the bottom left corner. Tap on those dots to reveal more options. Here's where it gets crucial. Select Block from the menu that appears. Be sure you want to proceed, as blocking is a serious action. Finally, confirm the action when prompted, and there you go. You've successfully blocked a friend on Roblox, giving you the peace of mind to enjoy your game. Remember, it's all about creating the best experience for yourself.